Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix tutorial video is talking about the quick analysis tool. You may or may not have ever seen it appear whenever you're working inside of Excel, but here's the secret. You don't have to build every chart or formula from scratch. Excel can do this with that quick analysis tool. Let me show you how to use it. Looking at data, we can do all different types of things to it by using conditional formatting, by going to insert and creating pivot tables or charts or spark lines. When you're working inside of the data, sometimes you select data, and when this box appears, it has the quick analysis tool. And this is just a shortcut taking you to different things we can do with our data. If I hover over them, I can see anything with the text being in progress is being selected, duplicates, things that are unique, equal to. I could clear formatting. I could add a cluster chart based off of each of the different types of statuses. If it disappears, you could hit Control Q to make it reappear. I could do count, totals, tables. We could make this into a table. We could make it into a pivot table, or I could add spark lines, which go on the end of the various rows. So I'll go ahead and add in a pivot table, completed, in progress, not started. That's because I was on that information. I could go here to due date, Control Q, and look at times that were last week, last month. Lots of super helpful things using quick analysis tool when working with data. So the next time you see it pop up, go ahead and use it. You just have insights without touching a formula. That's the power of the quick analysis tool.